Hey guys, it's Josh with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I am standing in front of a Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. These are super cool little boats. They come packaged with a trailer. It's a galvanized trailer. It's going to come with a spare. This particular boat is in the classic desert tan. It's got a black rub rail with a stainless steel insert. As we walk down, you can see that it's got a stainless steel bimini top frame. It's got these great steps molded here on the transom with a telescoping swim ladder. Here on the back, we've got a Mercury 40. We look in the boat, it's got this great little bench seat with your cup holders and a removable 6-gallon gas tank. This boat does have your nav light, so over there you can see your stern light and your anchor light. We've got our binnacle and a stainless steel steering wheel. You got your RPM gauge, and as we move forward, nice little anchor locker in there, and then some storage up here in the console. These boats are very simple. That's what makes them great. They're perfect for getting out there on the water with your wife or with your kids. They're made of fiberglass that has a high density foam that's sandwiched in between. So they're super solid construction. And as you know, whalers are the unsinkable boat. If you'd like to come and take a look at this boat or you have any questions, just give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.